Ever bought a steel door or window, only to realize later it's not as strong or durable as you thought? Here's a quick tip to avoid that mistake. Always check the gauge or thickness of the steel sheet. 16 gauge, 1.5 millimeter thickness, is stronger but costs more, while 18 gauge, 1.2 millimeter thickness, is cheaper but less durable. For homes, 16 gauge is the best choice for both doors and windows. For commercial spaces, 18 gauge can work. Know the difference so you get what you pay for. Tag someone building a house and subscribe to TG Steel Tech for more construction and steel material tips.